Heading out to get some vegan food. You should stay tuned for the journey. Headed to try vegan with the twist in New Orleans for the first time. So let's see how this goes. I'm excited. So I got the vegan Philly cheesesteak and some French fries. So let's see how it tastes. Moment of truth. Let's try this again. Now that I got out the wrapper. Moment of truth. This tastes like Philly cheesesteak. Like, it tastes like ground beef Philly cheesesteak. You hear me? Oh my god. So, I will leave the information for vegan with a twist at the end of the video. If you're ever in New Orleans, please try. This is really good. Well, at least the Philly cheesesteak is. I forgot about my drink. Cucumber watermelon. So let's see. Ooh, that got a nice flavor. It's not even extremely sweet. Okay. Well, yeah, I gotta try it.